Panda and Rabbit lived in a beautiful bamboo forest. They were the best of friends. Every morning, they explored the forest together. One sunny day, Panda found a shiny object. "What is it?" Rabbit asked, curious. Panda said, "I don't know, let's find out." Together, they decided to investigate further. The shiny object led them to a hidden path. "This is exciting," exclaimed Rabbit with a smile. They followed the path and found a small pond. Beside the pond, flowers of all colors bloomed. Panda said, "What a delightful place." Rabbit nodded. "Let's have a picnic here." They enjoyed a picnic filled with bamboo shoots and carrots. Under the warm sun, they laughed and shared stories. Panda and Rabbit agreed it was their happiest adventure.